Good day guys, this is Hassan and welcome to Cad Gizmo, and in this video we will draw another shape of Autocad practice series for the beginner students. So guys, let's start the video. And before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. So friends, we start our shape. First we draw a circle and the radius is 150 units. Type D for diameter and 150 units. Now we draw a line from this point to this point, and same here, 0.3 units. Now we draw a circle. Type C for circle, and we have the diameter of 50 units. Now we draw another circle from the center point and have the diameter of 90 units like this, and here we have the offset of 10 units like this. Now we draw a line on 66 degree like this, and with TR double enter we trim it. Now we are going to mirror it. Press F8 and click on No. Mirror it like this. Now we convert it into projection layer, and we make the offset 10 units like this. So first we make the properties like this, and we draw a circle of 10 radius and trim the extra lines like this. If I change the layer of the circle and convert it into projection, same here, we change the properties, TR double enter, and we make the circle of 10 units. With the TR double enter we trim it, and we do same here, make the properties, and make the circle of 10 units. With the TR double enter trim the extra lines. Circle of 10 units, TR double enter, like this, and delete it. Now we make a circle of 10 units and trim it. Now delete this. So in this way we make our shape. Like this. Now we are going to fillet it and give the radius of 2 units. Now we increase the radius of 10 units. Here we use the bracket point tool and give the radius 10 units and fillet it. F enter, R enter and 10 enter. With the space bar I active my command again and with the bracket point. Now with the fillet we give the radius. So guys, in this way we make our shape. And for hatch, type H and enter and select the color and hatch it and click on close hatch creation. So guys, in this way we create our object. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, and guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.